Alright guys, welcome back to Plant a Garden TV. Alright, this is my herb garden. So many different type of herbs, and I know you guys see how beautiful they start growing. I planted them out pretty early and the weather was giving them a pretty hard time, but now the weather has changed and everything is doing pretty well. I'm just harvesting. I just harvest some gold leaf sage. We're gonna harvest some dandelion right now. Some dandelion because I'm getting ready to make some tea. Some fresh tea from the garden. So I just come out to harvest some dandelion. I'm gonna mix some dandelion with some chocolate mint and just have a nice cup of fresh tea. I mean, what is better than this, guys? Tell me, please tell me, what is better than this? Okay, so let's go and get some chocolate mint, which is right up inside here. This is the chocolate mint right here that we just pull off the head. Okay, we also have peppermint. I'm just harvesting to make some tea, guys. Just to make some tea. Not too much. Alright guys, this is the bowl right here. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.